How did you use media technologies in the construction, research, planning and evaluation stages? In the pre-production of my media product, I used many different technologies, one of those being SurveyMonkey. I use this to create an audience survey to find out information about specific details into what my target audience liked and expected to see in pop music videos. Using this website, I was able to create a survey that was very effective and gave me responses that were very useful. I was able to collect my results in a variety of ways, from the pie chart to the worded answers. This technology was very helpful to me as it made it easy to find out what people's expectations on what pop music videos should contain. I used YouTube a lot in my pre-production stages of my product as well. I used it to watch lots of music videos so that I could see the conventions and the common reoccurring features that are seen. This helped me a lot in the planning of my product as it meant I was able to easily see what features were important to include in my music video to make it obvious to the audience what the genre was. I also used YouTube to upload responses from my audience survey interviews. This gave me a good opportunity to receive responses from other audience members as they could comment on the videos giving their opinions to the questions that were asked in the interview. This helped to broaden my audience research. This brings me on to the use of audio recording, which I used in my pre-production. By using an audio recorder, I was able to record 3 interviews with different people in my target audience to find out what they liked and disliked about music videos, what they expected to see in them, and what they also really wanted to see in order for them to be interested in the video. Using the audio recorder was very useful when recording the interviews, as it meant I could do them nice and quickly and easy. I was able to interview people straight away when they agreed to answer my questions. A technology that went hand in hand with the audio recorder in the pre-production of my product was Adobe Premiere. I used this software to put some visuals to my audience interviews. This software was very useful as it meant that I could add images and text easily to the audio tracks I had recorded beforehand. I was able to use this to create 3 audience interview videos which had the questions appear when they were spoken on the audio track. By using Adobe Premiere, it made the interviews more exciting and interesting to watch. This brought in more responses to them when they were posted onto YouTube. PowerPoint and SlideShare worked hand in hand with each other in my pre-production. Using PowerPoint, I was able to create a presentation about existing music videos and what elements they include. This was good for developing my knowledge and understanding into pop music videos. I was able to share this PowerPoint onto my blog by using SlideShare. By using this, I was able to change the format of the PowerPoint and upload it to Blogger. This was very helpful as it meant I was able to share the information that I had found out very easily with other people who viewed my blog. Social media played a big part when receiving feedback to my survey. I was able to upload and post my survey onto Facebook. By doing this, it meant that other people of a similar age to me, people of my target audience age range, it also meant I would receive lots of responses, meaning that the information that I received would be accurate and realistic. In the production stage of my music video, the main technology I used was a digital SLR camera. I used this to record all the footage that I used in my music video. Using this camera meant I could get good quality footage very quickly and easily. I was able to have a steady shot by having the camera on a tripod. Using this camera, I was also able to take images that were used in my music video. Being able to take video and photos on the same camera was very useful, as it meant we could quickly and easily shoot the images needed to create the video in the allocated time. We used iMovie in order to edit our footage to create our music video. This software was very good to create the music video, as it was very easy to use. However, we were able to get the footage in a specific place and order, so that we could get the best edited video. We were able to cut shots and add the footage to fit with the music very precisely. This made our music video look very clean and crisp and professionally made. In the evaluation stage, I used 4 technologies: Adobe Premiere, an audio recorder, PowerPoint, and SlideShare. I used the audio recorder to record one of the responses to a question. By doing this, it made my evaluation much more exciting. It meant that my evaluation was shown in a variety of technological ways. This brings me on to Adobe Premiere. I used Adobe Premiere to add visuals to the audio recording. I also used Adobe Premiere to answer another one of the questions. This was another way to make my evaluation more exciting by using a different technology. Finally, PowerPoint and SlideShare. As in the planning stages of my product, I was able to use PowerPoint to collect my response to one of the questions. I then used SlideShare to change the format of the PowerPoint so I could upload it to my blog.